Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to fix KB5077241 update not installing on Windows 11. First, click the Start menu button, then go to the Windows search bar, type Services, and open it. Scroll down and find Windows Update. Double-click on it. Set Startup Type to Automatic. Click Apply, then click Start if available. After that, click OK. Right-click on Windows Update and select Restart. Next, find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Double-click on it, set it to Automatic. Click Apply, then Start, then click OK. After that, right-click on it and restart the service. Now find App Readiness. Double-click on it. Set it to Automatic. Click Apply, then Start, click OK. Right-click on it and restart the service. After this, go back and check for updates again. If it's still not working, open Windows Settings. Windows Update, click Pause Updates, then Resume Updates, and check again. If the problem still persists, click Start button. In the search bar, type Command. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Copy and paste the command one by one. Press Enter, wait for scan completion, then restart your computer. If the update still fails, go to Microsoft Update Catalog, search KB5077241, check your Windows version using WinVer, download the correct update file for your system type, and install it manually. If nothing works, go to Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options, Recovery, reinstall using Windows Update. If the issue still exists, use Media Creation Tool from Microsoft website, download ISO file, and perform repair installation while keeping your files. After installation, restart your computer and check again. One of these steps should fix the problem. That's it. Please like, share, and subscribe.